Any final comments from Chen?
Okay, I just connect again. Okay, so I just describe what I see. So I see a short Chinese man with his big long beard, moustache, goes right down, hair tied back in a ponytail, and he's just bowing basically to say that from the spiritual realm, he would like to say that, well, thank you primarily to Mike, really.
Can I just stop you there and
course.
invite him to stand up and invite Chen to speak for himself?
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Good afternoon to you all. My name is Chen. I'm Andrew's principal guide and surgeon.
Hello, Chen.
Hello.
You're most welcome.
Thank you very much, Terry. As you say, it's very kind of you actually to invite me in. Andrew was, I'm sure, about to take all of the glory. He does do that at times. But of course, as you can see, I am able to converse through his physicality, and I am always there to speak with and enter into dialogue and sessions with. And I would just like to say to you all that again, as we discussed, Terry, in the past, the book is only understood when it's written and read. And this is work in progress from our perspective, certainly from a spiritual paradigm. So the work that you all have entered into here, and you've all had experiences of your own from a spiritual, obviously, and a physical perspective, but this is instrumental in the change that will happen on this planet. So the things that you are doing, the group that you have set up, Terry, and the huge amount of time and your own energy you invest into this will pay off in dividends for humanity, people on the planet, from now really and for time to come. So I would just like to say that from our perspective, there's a huge amount of effort, time and work and energy being invested from a spiritual perspective. So all of you here have your own team, your own guides. Whether you're aware of them or not makes no difference. You're a physical person living a physical life, and you must engage in that physicality. But there is a spiritual realm, and I am testament to that realm. I'm speaking from it to you today. You can see it exists, and you're aware that this is real and it's happening, and we affect your life. We can affect your life positively, should you engage us and ask us to help you, or we could affect your life negatively, should we choose to. Obviously, I am working for a higher perspective and a higher light, if you like, and therefore my energy is positive, and the effect I have on young Andrew here and the people that we come into contact with would be positively aligned. There are negative entities and beings that exist around all of you every day, and they're here to cause problems and torment. And the societies that you live in should know they exist. They've been talked about for millennia. They're in your documentation. There is plenty of evidence inscribed into physical buildings, pyramids and such like that depict these entities. They show you the pictures of them. There are tablets. If you do your research, you will be very clear that there is another world that exists, and the negative aspect of that will interfere with your life, and people like young Mike here should not need to go through the traumas that he has been through for this length of time, when this information is easily dissipated throughout society. So, young Terry, I will conclude by saying that I thank you all for your time and your investment into this process. This is merely the start, and from here the ball will roll, and we from the spiritual perspective will make sure that everything you all need to start to push this work forward will happen. You will receive finance, you will receive energy, you will receive the right people, and we will make it happen, and this will change humanity on this planet. And you will look back at some time, and you will smile and laugh, and remember that this information was given to you through love from a higher dimension. So I will say good day to you all. Please have a safe trip home, and spend your time using your thoughts wisely, because everything you think impacts your life. And you must think positive thoughts and engage with positive energies to have a fulfilled and positive life. Very simple. So good day to you all.
Thank you, Chen. Thank you very much. And welcome back, Andrew.
Hi.